Good day to all Momshies in the world. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more videos update. Today we're going to talk about Mayana plants. And the scientific name of this is Coleus. I'm going to show to you how I created my Mayana plant. They call this as medicinal plant, at the same time ornamental plant. Ornamental plant because you can use this as indoor and outdoor decoration. This is popular for landscaping because it has a huge varieties of it. So, Super Momshies, are you ready? So we can start to create our Mayana plant out of plastic bags. So these are the materials that we need in this Mayana plants, because this is two kinds of Mayana plants. Okay, so we're going to cut and iron. Did you know, Super Momshies, that this plant has a lot of health benefits? I can mention some of it, like it can help to relieve headache and also for coughing. This is also good for boils, it can treat, and also for bruises and swelling. This is also good for antioxidant because it has the ability to fight the free radicals inside our body. And it is also good for diabetes and for high blood pressure. But of course, to those people who's carrying this illness, they have to consult first their doctor before they will go to it. So it will be like this. So same process with the other plastics. So it really looks like this. Okay, then separate that one. So same process that we will do in these leaves. So we will cut in the edges. You can see it because I'm trying to show you. We need to create the curves on the edges, so it will be look like this. Okay, and this one, it will be different cutting. The reason why we need this tissue or paper, you can use paper or tissue, because the bendable wire is so thin, so we need to cover it. We don't have this flower tape, so we can use this one, plastic, just the same. Now it's time to attach the leaves to make it into a real Mayana plant. So this is the bendable wire. I just cover it with tissue as usual, as I make these things. Cover it with the tissue to make it thicker, and then with this plastic. Now we will start to attach it. Now we are going to assemble all these things so we can merge it with this stem. So this is now our Mayana plants. At last, Super Momshies, I had made my own Mayana plants. If you want to have, you can have it. As long you have all the plastic bags in your home, you can do it. It's just easy. It's simple, right? I want to give a shout out to Miss Verna from Violeta Salon located at Main Street, and also to Miss Lovely, the lovely lady at Euro Asian Beauty Center located at Sanaiya Industrial District, and to Miss Selena from Nice Dream Beauty Center located at Kuwaitat in front of Alin Mall, and to Miss Flor from Amber Spa located oh, I'm sorry because really my tongue. To Miss Flor from Amber Spa located at Macam, and to Miss Sheila from Bouvardia Beauty Salon located at Odotuba Street, and the last but not the least, Miss Jana, the owner of Jana Beauty Salon located at Odotuba. Ma'am Jana, yoo-hoo! You see this one? Okay, before... Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Share with your friends. Press the notification bell so you will be updated from any videos. And also, any comments that you have, please leave it at the comment section, not at the WhatsApp, okay? OMG, it's too much. My God, my cameraman is already exhausted.
Exhausted.
My karim. Because you know I am too much hungry. That's why my cameraman also is exhausted. OMG. Anyway, again, I'll see you next time. Babushi.